Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have QCY H3 ANC Bluetooth noise canceling headphones and you need to do a hard reset to factory default settings on it. Now you might need to do this for a couple reasons. One might be for troubleshooting. If the headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth or will not sync with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, a hard reset can be a good troubleshooting step for a lot of these problems and get your headphones working. Another reason might be if you just want to get it to delete all of its paired devices so that you can start fresh and get it paired to the device you want, you can go ahead and do this. Now all you need to do is with your headphones on, you can go ahead and find at the very bottom of the headphone here, you can see there's a volume down and a volume up. You're just going to press and hold the volume down and volume up buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds. And either way, you're going to wait until the LED indicator light on the headphones blinks 3 times red, then you can let go. And once that happens, these headphones will be reset and they will automatically go into pairing or connecting mode to be re-paired with a new device.